Welcome to Miss Nam's Math World. Today we are going to discuss this function, which is the exponential function, and also its relationship between the logarithmic function and its axis of symmetry. So let's have a look on this function first, the exponential function. Okay. So what's the special thing about this exponential function? Please check for the y-coordinate of the function. It is always increasing. And although it is a bit difficult to see, actually this function will never touch the x-axis, but it is very close to the x-axis. Why now please have a look on the y-intercept. So for this function, the y-intercept is equal to 1. How about if we change it for a little bit? For example, let's have a look on the graph of y is equals to 5 times e to the power x. So what will happen? Right now we can see here is the graph of y is equal to 5 times e to the power x. That means for each y coordinate, it is 5 times as before. 5 times as before. So, as our concern is the y-intercept of the graph, it will comes from 1 and goes to 5. Why we have such kind of concern? It's because if we want to sketch the graph, we will find for their characteristics. So the characteristic will be, the first is increasing. So both graphs, they are increasing. Secondly, we wish to find for their y-intercepts. Right now, let's have a look on the graph of log x. So, for the graph of log x, let's try to sketch it. Because for this graph, it is by reflecting this one to the line y is equal to x. So you can see here is the axis of symmetry, y is equal to x. And then by reflecting, we will get the graph of y is equal to log x. So at the beginning, it is quite close to the x-axis, and then you will process the axis of symmetry, and it goes to the other way around. So it becomes y is equal to log x. And this is a natural log with base e. So you can see that it has the x-intercept to be 1, because the y-intercept of the exponential function is also equal to 1. So this property is very important, and please try to remember for such kind of properties. So that's the end of this lesson. See you next time.